Hello viewers, today we'll visit Bangalore in Karnataka, India on a family trip. Today we will visit Bangalore Fort. Bangalore is the capital of the Indian state of Karnataka. It is 35 kilometers away from Kempe Gowda International Airport. Today we will visit Bangalore Fort. Bangalore Fort is only 3.5 kilometers away from Bangalore zero point. In the meantime, please subscribe to my channel Tareq's BDVlogs. Now we're at Bangalore Fort. Bangalore Fort began in 1537 as a mud fort. Hyder Ali in 1761 replaced the mud fort with a stone fort, and it was further improved by his son Tipu Sultan in the late 18th century. The fort is maintained by Archaeological Survey of India. It represents the architectural creativity and brilliance of the Mysore rulers and is still one of the most popular monuments in India. We took some pictures of the perimeter. That's all for today. Hope that you like my vlog very much. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel Tareq's BDVlogs. Thank you.